Shape-pull winding machine, the decisive key to coil quality at equal cost. Same materials, same working hours, yet a world of difference in coil quality. The core lies in the winding machine. Boasting precise performance, shape-pull winding machine produces coils with neat and tight arrangements. No hot melting, no alcohol melting, no glue required. Coils can be formed just by strapping. This is our standard configuration. Featuring ultra-high rigidity and stable operation, it is fully adaptable to all scenarios. It supports the processing of disc-shaped, cylindrical, special-shaped and other coil types, and is compatible with all specification of enameled wires. It perfectly meets the high-precision production needs of new energy vehicle electronic coils, brake coils, and so on. With a modular design, functions can be expanded on demand, such as hot air treatment, grease coating, laser wire diameter online detection, and series wound tensioners. It supports closed-loop real-time tension control, effectively reducing wire breakage and material loss. Reserved interfaces for external equipment enable seamless connection with MES systems and visual inspection modules, helping enterprises achieve intelligent manufacturing upgrading, choose shape-pull, and manufacture more competitive high-quality coils at the same cost. Your forwarding is appreciated. Let's cooperate for mutual benefits.